What's up, y'all? I'm gonna buy a piece, and we about to have A5 Wagyu in Tokyo, Japan. Damn, that's good. Play the video.
Knock, knock. Something real, something raw, not accidental, no, I'm sure. You're not needed, show you the door, but what's that, yeah, are you sure? Yeah, that's a rental, yeah, what a bore. Lying, nothing in the core. Buying, yeah, what for? But do what I need to, always sure. Something real, something raw.
We still want that steak to shine through, but we want that salt to be on there as well. So since I don't really know the temperature gauge, I'm gonna use the butter to help me gauge the temperature. Oh, so it gets hot fast. Okay, perfect. We'll drop that steak on there just like that. About 2 minutes on each side. I'm gonna check this out. Oh, that's the perfect sear. That's done. You don't want to cook it too fast. That's done. That's it right there. That's the perfect steak. That cut like butter. That's crazy. I don't even know how we gonna eat this thing so it looks so good. Come in on that right there. Look at the temperature right there. Look how good that is. Hey, this might have been the easiest steak I ever cooked. A5 Wagyu, pork, tenderloin, sliced, chicken rolls, rice, and our veggies: potato salad, kimchi, cucumber, Japanese dinner. About to dig. Let me just taste this for y'all. Oh my gosh. That's the best piece of steak I ever had in my life.
Amen. Knocking at the door, one time, knocking at the door. Knock, knock. Hello, something real, something